I have a book that I want you to stock.
Can I help you?
Are you the bookshop manager?
Yes, I am.
I want to support my local bookshop.
That's nice to hear. Welcome to my office.
I have a book that I want you to stock.
Okay. What sort of book is it?
It is a poetry book.
What sort of poetry?
My own poetry. It is very good. Everyone has said so.
Really? Who has said so?
My children. My friends. And their children. And my mother-in-law.
I see. Who is the publisher of your book?
I am. I published it myself.
I see.
I bought a book about how to publish your own book. I would have bought it here, but it was far too expensive. I got it cheaper online.
Well, we like to support our local authors. Even though your poetry is probably awful, we will take a few copies. What is the retail price of your book?
The book is £14.99.
That is quite expensive for a 120-page paperback poetry book.
Well, it cost a lot to get published. But I am prepared to sell it to you at £14 a copy. I want to support my local bookshop.
No, that is too much. We will take your book on a sale or return basis at 40% discount.
I want to support my local bookshop, but that is ridiculous. If I sell it to you at that price, I will only be making several pounds profit per unit.
Well, that is actually quite a good margin in book terms. But I suppose we could make it 35% discount.
Okay. Can you pay me now?
No. We only take books on sale or return, as I have just told you.
But I need the money now.
Do you really? Do you write for a living?
No, of course I don't. That would be stupid. I have a highly paid job in the city.
So you don't really need the money now?
No. But I want to support my local bookshop.
Okay. So we will take 4 copies of the book on a sale or return basis at 35% discount. That means that in the unlikely event of us selling any of your books, you will get £9.74 per copy.
Well, I suppose I will have to accept that.
Good.
When can I have my book launch?
I beg your pardon?
When can I have my book launch? Now I am a published author, I need to have a book launch.
I don't think your book is suitable for an event at the bookshop.
But I have told all my friends that I am having my book launch here. I want to support my local bookshop. All my friends will come. I think it would be very good for your bookshop.
Will your friends buy your book?
I have already given most of them a copy. But they will buy copies to give as presents to their friends.
Are you sure?
No. But I am expecting to get a review in an obscure poetry magazine that you have never heard of.
You must understand that, in order to do an event, we must keep the shop open after closing time, pay staff overtime, move the shop around to create space for seating, and buy wine and soft drinks for refreshments. We need to be sure that it will be financially viable for us.
I want to support my local bookshop. But I think you are being very negative about my poetry book.
Maybe we should just stick to having some on display. If it sells well, which it won't, then maybe we can think about having an event.
Well, okay. I want to support my local bookshop. When shall I bring in the 8 copies?
4 copies.
When shall I bring them in?
Whenever you like. I really don't care.
I will send my mother-in-law in with them tomorrow. I want to support my local bookshop.
If you really wanted to support your local bookshop, you should buy some books instead of trying to sell some.
I support my local bookshop by coming to browse and talking loudly to my friends just inside the door.
Okay. I think it's time to terminate our conversation before something bad happens.
I want to support my local bookshop.
Get out.